Okay, before we get started here, make sure you go and watch the lesson video that was posted today on how to multiply 3-digit numbers by 1-digit numbers. Alright, so after you've watched the video, you'll know that 3 digits times 1 digit is pretty much the same as 2 digits times 1 digit. It's just one more step, right? Okay, so let's randomly pick, let's do the last problem down here. So we've got 8 times 6, which equals 48. So the units stayed down and the tens get carried. And then we've got 9 times 6, which equals 54. 54 plus 4 equals 58. So the 8 stays down and the 10 gets carried. And then we've got 7 times 6, which equals 42, plus the 5 equals 47. So we've got 798 times 6 equals 4,788. All right, on this next page, we have some more practice problems. But after you've answered all of these problems, you'll notice that each question has a letter beside it. Okay, these letters are going to be used to solve the riddle. Okay, so the riddle is, what did the doctor say to the invisible man? All right, so how does this work? Let's say question number 1 here. We have 4 times 5, which equals 20. So the units stayed down and the tens get carried. And then we have 3 times 5, which equals 15, plus 2 equals 17. Units stay down, tens get carried. And then we have 1 times 5, which equals 5, plus the 1 equals 6. Okay, so we now have the product 670. And we have the letter O. So that means we have to look for the product down here in this box. Okay, so 670, it is right here. So on this line, we would have the letter O. Okay, so you're going to do that for each of these questions, and in the end, you're going to find out the answer to the riddle. Okay, so if you have any questions, you can find us on Seesaw.